Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning to you all. We are going to start this lecture having with the extension talk on personality development and happiness in the life. Because of today is the first day of the new academic calendar or calendar year, 1st January of 2022. However, this topic relates to the moral philosophy and how to lead the life if we are not able to manage our life, then we are not able to say, okay, we are moral and we have a good personality and we can survive in the life in a proper way. That's why I felt that I have to deliver a lecture as an extension talk on the personality development and happiness in life. As we all know that every day we face some challenges, different factors which can influence our life. On the first day of this year, I felt it is my prime responsibility toward the students, toward the scholars, and other stakeholders that I have to treat with them in that environment in which they can feel relaxed, they can create their happiness, and lead their life successfully. That's why I have chosen this topic, which is to be delivered, elaborated, and discussed among you all. Generally, as far as the personality is concerned, sometimes values, beliefs, thoughts, perception, attitude, desire, and code of conduct. These all are the part and parcel of our personality. But as and when we club together all these values, where we are living, belief, what we have perceived, thoughts, what we are thinking now, perception, what you have perceived earlier, attitude, what you have to act to react toward that challenge, toward that situation, and you what you feel as a desire, and what are the policy and frames or the frame of references what you have to deal with that problem. When these are to be collective in one slot, that is known as personality. Why? Because of it is a set of rules that govern the personality of a human being. In case of the moral philosophy or the philosophical foundation lecture, I just shared with you all. Some of the students are new in this class, some of the students are old in this class. What I have shared that to succeed the life in a proper way, we must have to follow some set of rules, and that is known as code of conduct. If I am a teacher, I'm willing to teach you, then I have to fix the frame of the class. Okay, the class will be held from 9 to 10 a.m. And all students have to settle their frame. Okay, we have to wake up and be ready for the class. And we have to join the class. What is that? That is set of rules. Next one is personality varies, or you can say varies from person to person, but there is definitely a lesson of the bunch of traits into some qualities are there, which are very much common among all. How to speak, how to act and react, how to convey the message, how we become emotional towards an event, towards gathering, towards our family members, towards our relatives, towards our teachers. parents, etc., etc. What it says that it is a lesson of a bunch of traits, emotional stability, and intellectual ability that needs to be learned by every individual in order to acquire a personality that can be adored by the others. What it means? It means to say that we have to develop our intellectual ability so that we can understand the society, so that we can understand the family relations and other relations in which we have to follow our life or succeed our life. If we are not aware about traditions, customs, beliefs, then sometimes we feel that we have not followed the code of ethics or code of conduct. At that moment, we are not able to succeed our life in a proper way. Another point is there. Some of the events are likewise different challenges. Sometimes what we feel, okay, it is my question of my ego, my esteem, and I have not to do this work. No. Whether you are in a role of the father or in the role of the son, whether you are in the role of the teacher or in the role of the student, we must follow the set of rules. We must respect the system. We must respect the code of conduct. Because of, okay, we have all rights to speak, to convey, to do anything, but we have the responsibilities also. We have the duties. The first duty is that I have not to give any pain to anyone for my happiness. No. Any kind of the emotional pain, physical pain, or other kind of the pain is not to be given by me to anyone for the happiness of me. No, never. That's why a line is given. Some of the students are not from Hindi dialect. That's why I'm not studying this. Now you can visualize what is that. Sometimes these are known as three monkeys principle, which was given by Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji. Do not listen, which is bad. Do not convey, which is bad. Do not speak, which is bad. No, I'm not just treating these this way. On the first day of this year, I have to fix the frame for myself that when I will open my eyes, I will see everything is in a good manner. If I will open my ears, then I will listen everything which is related to my happiness. Third one is what I speak. I must speak those words which will give happiness to the others, not the pain to the others. That is different aspect to see. Being a researcher, being a scholar, being an academician, and responsible citizen of the world, I have to watch those things which will provide the happiness to me. The first principle is saying that. Another picture is saying that, okay, I will listen those words which are kind hearted, which will provide the happiness to me. Third, it is my duty. First two are given rights. The third is saying, okay, it is your duty. What? You should provide those words to the society, to the world, to the nation, to the country, that which will give the happiness to anyone who is watching you, who is observing you, or Who is listening you? The duty is one of the picture is there. What it says? It says that, okay, I have to give the respect and regard to everyone so that they will feel happy. If nobody is in the happiest mood, then we are not able to succeed our life in a proper way. That's why it is our responsibility in general sense and in a specific sense that we must take happiness and we must provide happiness. Now, I hope everything's clear and visible, audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
it is my question to you all, my dear scholars. Who are you? Because of we have delivered so many lecture on the moral philosophy or philosophical foundation, as well as the atomic paradox is there or nuclear paradox is there. The countries are developing the different kinds of their weapons, but they have made a treaty they will not use against each other. Then why we are creating, why we are developing? Similarly, if we the citizens of the world and we all the responsible citizens of the world, then if I guess anyone, who are you? Sanjana, please tell me in which category you will feel. There are three portraits, portrait 1, 2, 3. From left, that is 1, then middle, 2, then right, 3. If I ask the question directly to Sanjana, Sanju, just
Yes, sir.
give me a hint in this regard. In which category you fall yourself?
Sir, I follow three categories.
Okay.
All the three
Being
categories.
okay. It means to say that the philosophical foundations which we have developed in our mind and we have set a frame of references. Okay, I just follow the principle or the system of the world that I will speak everything which will give happiness to anyone. I will listen which will give the happiness to me and which will see it will be my responsibility that what I have to see. What it will be seen? It is seen by me, by my eyes, not only the eyes, but sometimes our sense of humor conveys everything. We closed our eyes, but we can visualize. Yes, our perception is that, our belief is that. On those kind of the frame of references, where you are, what you are, who are you? And now, as and when I will skip on the another slide, and at the end of this lecture, you will feel change, you will feel a drastic change in your brain, in your mind. And I guarantee it. Because of on the first day of this year, I have selected this topic. Why? Because of we are leading our life with so many stress, anguish, anger, without any reason or with the reasons. But no, my dear scholars, it is not our life. We must follow those principles which will provide the happiness to everyone and everywhere. And it is our responsibility. Because of if we are not responsible and we are not able to give the happiness to our students, to our teachers, to our academicians, to our parents, to our children, then who will provide? It is our responsibility that we have to increase our happiness index of this country by this way or that way. This way mean to say we have to follow at our own level. That way, We have to request to the others, please come and join the hands to increase the happiness index of this country. Next one is what it resembles. A particular example is there. A frog is being given in hot water treatment. Firstly, the frog will try, okay, I will escape myself. But he failed. And after that, he died in that hot water treatment. The psychologist felt that he was habitual to retreat at this place. The frog has not tried to jump at the first instance, and he will come out that particular vessel, and he or she can save his life or her life. Therefore, what we have to see, we have to change a drastic change in our brain, in our mind, in our psychology, in our philosophy, because of sometimes we are not able to study all those things which are behind the screen on the other side, which are available. Just we have to swallow, just we have to observe which are in front of us, but we are not able to see behind the screen. Therefore, this point is saying that what has happened, why the COVID-19 appears in the world, because of we have made so many disturbances our nature. If we will not disturb our nature, or we will adjust ourselves with the nature, then any kind of the disaster cannot appear or cannot occur on the part of the nature. That's why we have to change our ideology, our philosophy toward the nature. We must respect our nature. We must follow the tree plantation drive so that we can consume everything which is very much fresh for us. Automatically, when you will attach yourself with the nature, you will become happy. If you are happy, then you will not give any pain to anyone. Automatically, the society, the world, the country, the nation, the state will be happy. Next one is these are 10 commandments. Become best version of you through happiness. First, okay, everybody says that. Yes, I am agree with it. Be positive, no problem. Be open, yes. Personal grooming, yes. Healthy eating, yes. Relationship, yes. Get your fox right, yes. Watch your speech, yes. Get your body language right, yes. Improve skill sets, yes. Declutter. What is that? These 10 commandments will change. Maybe a slight change, maybe a drastic change in your mind. But I guarantee it for a drastic change. Why and how? One by one, I will discuss. Audible and visible?
Yes,
I
sir.
hope.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying this lecture?
Yes, sir, very much that you are
Oh,
guiding us today at a very special day.
yeah, it is very much important. It is my responsibility that we have to deliver beyond the syllabus also to every citizen of the world. I'm not treating only my family, only my nation. No, go beyond the boundaries of the nation so that everyone can be felt that, okay, he or she is the part of our world. Because of being a teacher, we are responsible to everyone. That may be nature, that may be student, that may be stakeholders, or any piece or the creature of the God which is prevailing with us. Now, positive thinking, why? Because of, you know very well, optimistic attitude is quite essential for a successful life. Why it is essential for us? Because of every time we feel that there is a resistance to change. But no, sometimes it is good. As I conveyed on yesterday, that COVID 19 has created a positive attitude toward the Google Meet, toward the online classes. Yes, that was positive thing. But the point is that every time can we maintain it? Positive thinking? Yes, if you will be able to change your attitude toward that situation, then you will feel happy every time. You are driving a scooter or a car. At the time of the turn, maybe U turn, maybe T turn, maybe left turn, maybe right turn, another car or the vehicle approach to your car or the scooter, and a little bit accident is there, or little bit clash is there with your car. There are three options. First, ignore it. Second, quarrel with it, with that person. Third, give a smile and pass the way. If we follow the third principle, then there is no question, and we can succeed our life in a proper way. And there will be no any kind of the ill will towards anyone. You know very well, okay, we all are human beings. That can be an error, that can be an error, or a mistake may be there. At the time of the driving, we are not able to follow the principles or the rules and regulations every time. But we both are not at fault. Yes, I agree with it. The another person was at fault, but who will give the learning to him or her if he doesn't know or she doesn't know about that? Yes, it is one matter of chance. A chance you have to give a smile and pass the way. It means to say you are giving the learning to him. Okay, any kind of the incident happen, please manage and arrange in that sense. There is no requirement of the quarreling there. No requirement to create the mess at that place. But how many of the persons of this world will follow this principle? Even we can start from ourselves. That is what? That is positive thinking one. It helps you accept the things that you cannot change. Yes, we must agree with it. On the first corner, person A. On the second corner, person B. There is a long series, but we have to try to change those people, these personalities. Because of, we must accept the change and to be grateful for your good things that you have. Sometimes what we feel, all the peoples are not good. Yes, I agree with you all. If the bad people are not available here, who will recognize the good people? Have you thought this aspect? Why those persons are bad? Because of the good people follow the set of rules, set of frame of references. On that basis, we are treating, okay, he is not good. Everyone is good. As and when he or she is not following the principles of the life, then we can say he is or she is not good. For example, drug addiction is there. A person who is drug addicted, we convey he is not good in his life. But as and when you will ask from that fellow, he or she is saying, yes, I feel happy. when I consume it. It doesn't mean that he is feeling bad for herself or himself. But in the eyes of the society, he is bad or she is bad. But who will improve? We, the person, we, the people, we, the society, we, the stakeholders, can improve himself or herself by treating it, by discussing with him. What was the problem? What was the reason? Why you are doing this? If we will not talk with them and we have no any positive attitude toward that person, then who will give the learning to him or her? It is the responsibility of a teacher that he or she has to speak to him or her. Please come, join my room, and attend my class counseling. Sit with me, and you have to give up these bloody habits. Automatically, he will do or she will do. But how many of the teachers are taking the pain? That is known as positive thinking. We must give maximum to the society. Next one each. I hope everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This body is saying that, okay, it may be your future, it may be your past. I'm not agree with that. But the point, the crux is given here. Do not create every time ego. My dear scholars, I just convey on my part. I give one solution to the life. When you are dealing with your life, delete E from the ego. Just go. Not use ego everywhere. You'll feel a different life. And a sensation of life will be different when you will delete E from the ego. Just go. Not treat ego. If you will lead this life in that way, in that sense, then you will see everywhere happiness is there. Another point, be open to learn. Sometimes we feel that we are more intelligent than you, or I am only the intelligent boy, intelligent guy, intelligent teacher. No. In case of the Vedas, the word is utilized here, niti. Ni means to say beginning, ti means to say ending. What it says that? The writer of the Vedas are saying that we have just begin, but there is no end. Everyone will be the creature of the God or Allah or the environment, will give maximum to the knowledge domain every time. Today, we are in the era of the technology. Every time, every day, new inventions we are watching, we are observing. That's why we must be open to learn from our child, our parents, our teachers, our colleagues, even the passerbys. They can give a message to you, to whom you met. Learn from the nature. Every day, different aspect of the nature is there. Continuity, consistency, you can see. A sparrow is there which will visit that garden every day at the specific time. Why? Because of they have their set of rules which were given by the society, which were given by the nature. Similarly here, greatest virtue of successful people is their ability to learn new things every time. If I don't know how to forward my all emails at one email ID, then I just take the help of the students. What is the problem before me? No, nothing is there. If my daughter, my son can give a message to me, okay, you can do this thing in this way. Yes, I must learn. You scholars can give new idea. One of the student from the previous batch, he said that, sir, you have to prepare the playlist in the YouTube channel. Yes, I have prepared. What is the problem to listen or to understand? No problem. But sometimes what happened? Sometimes we are not able to see everything in that sense. I hope audible and visible both.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is learning in an ongoing process. Every day, every time. When you are sitting here, I hope some of the students are in the department. Some of the students are in their quiz. Some of the students are sitting on their bed, on chair, etc., etc. But most of the students are enjoying this class by feeling happiness, by learning it as a special day of this year. Why? First day, one, we are thinking broadly, not only for our syllabus. Okay, it will be the part of the class, but it is beyond that. Why we are discussing it? Because of every time you have fresh breathing and the ability to learn new things and evolve is prerequisite to becoming a better you. Who will be the better today? If he or she is willing to learn new thing today. On the next day, you will again recharge your skills, recharge your ideology, thinking, epistemology. What will happen? You will every day, or you will be able to learn everything every day. You have the capacity. We just use the 5% of our brain. 95% brain is not utilized by us. Why and how? Because of we are not able to learn so many things with our choice. Sometimes we feel that okay, CHA, chalta hai attitude, just going on. No, my dear scholars, every time, every day, every event will give a different learning. I'm not saying challenge. No, challenges are nothing. Just to learn that thing and you will get the success. No problem. Therefore, I request you all, we must be open to learn every time. If you don't know how to make the references in your thesis, just ask the colleague, just ask the old colleagues, or you can say seniors, juniors, super seniors, duper seniors. Okay, no problem. Next one, H. What is that? The picture is very much clear. We must not be the part of ego. That's why this thing. When we feel with our ego, then we will create a boundary with us, before us, around us. Yes. It means to say you are creating firewall before you or around you. Nobody will come in that particular area. How you learn? Nothing, not possible. That's why we must learn every time. Personal grooming. What is that? If you are doing well, automatically you will feel fresh every day and the people will come and join you every time. Because of the people they are learning, one of the example I am willing to share with you all. On yesterday or day before yesterday, one student came to provide a gift to me. I asked why. She said that, sir, I am providing this gift to you due to the receiving of the fellowship to me. I just conveyed to her, okay, I respect and regard to your feelings, no problem. But I'm not eligible and feasible to take this gift from you. Because of you are the student and you are not supposed to spend a penny for the teachers, for the supervisors, for the others or the stakeholders just to spend this amount for your family members. And it was my duty to pass all these bills. It is not the right of me. That's why I requested her, please take it back. What is that? When we are discussing this thing, 5 to 10 scholars are sitting with me. What they will learn? They will learn everything. Yes, it is what? It is personal grooming. It is giving a lesson to all those people who are spending a lot to provide to tender the gifts to anyone. But I am different from the others. Yes, why? Because of good care of your attire is the responsibility of you. Accessorize well. Accessories can add life to your clothing. Take expert advice on how to use accessories in the right manner. What it mean to say? It mean to say when you are sitting, what kind of the clothes you wear, as per your profession, you can do it. No problem. It will add the feather in your cap of your personality. Next one, age. Yes. What is that? Just to learn every time. I'm not saying just to ignore past. No. Past will give the lessons to you to learn. But the sense of this line is saying, okay, learn from the past, but do not commit the mistake many times. Do not repeat it. To groom yourself. Healthy eating, yes. Sometimes we feel that. What you eat, what you feel, both are correct. If you are taking or consuming a cup of tea or the coffee, your mood is different. Before that, it is different. Many times, when a person is quarreling with anyone, we just convey, okay, please use a glass of water. Why? Because of it will decrease the sensation which arises in your brain, in your mind, in your heart due to the situation. And as and when you will drink the water, a glass of the water, it will decrease the temperature of your body. Yes, please utilize it. Minimize. That's why we just convey. What is that? Simply, we must eat healthy food by which we can take care of our nature and we can utilize the proper minerals for our body and we can increase our immunity, which is required every time. Not only in the case of the COVID-19, every time these are required. Next one, age. Yes, it is simply these lines are saying we just not be a part of artificial things. We are original person. We must eat original, not only those things which are artificial. Mean to say we have to utilize those things. We have to consume those things which are having the proper energy and vitamins, and that will provide the energy to your body. Now, it is also the responsibility of ourselves. Why and how? Because of what do I get from the particular relationship? Ignore this line. If I will treat, I will give respect, I will give regard, what I will achieve? No. Become every time without any self situation. Or we must not be the selfish in every relation. No. Without selfishness, we must treat our relations. As and when the selfishness arrive in these relations, that will what happen? That will crush the relations. Therefore, for these purposes, we must forgive, understand, empathize those relations. If any kind of the mistake or the error will arrive, if you will be able to forgive anyone, then you will realize that okay, I have saved my life, not his life. Why? Because of you have decreased the number of the enemies in your life. Just forgive. Okay, enjoy your life, no problem. Therefore, my dear scholars, I request you all, if any kind of the ill wills with anyone, just call him or her, convey, sorry, okay, bye, thank you. But we must have to understand these situations, not to linger on it. We just convey it today and stop it so that we can maintain the relations with all and you will become a better person in comparison to yesterday. I hope everything's okay.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
that?
sir.
This picture is saying that okay, we are sometimes, or sometimes we are habitual. However, these are not relations. No, there is no foundation in the relations. Lead the relation free from all. It is your choice. You are willing to maintain the relations with your colleague, with your parents, with your families. It is your choice. What kind of the relation you have? If I just call you and you are not picking my phone call, what it resembles? It meant to say it is your personality which resembles that you are not able to or you are not willing to attend the calls of those persons who are not of your taste. No problem. But in vice versa, when it will happen, what you will realize at that moment. Therefore, treat all those things in your in your frame of references. Do you feel that such kind of the embarrassing situation will be available before you? If no, just attend the roll call, attend the call, attend the mobile call or another kind of the relations you have to maintain. Now, get your focus right. This slide is very much important for you all because of sow a thought and you reap an action. What you are thinking, your action will be same. If you are thinking, okay, I have to close my eyes and I have to enjoy the sleeping, and you are in the sleeping mode, then your action will be there. Same action, your body language will be there also. So, an act, what is your act? That will be your habit. What you are thinking, it becomes your action. What your action is there, it becomes your habit. Every day you will do that. So, a habit, you reap a character. Yes, it becomes your part, it becomes the part of your personality. Every day, what kind of the habit you have, it will reap actor of you. It means to say you are that actor which is in that character. So act character and you reap a destiny. Suppose you thought today I will wake up in the morning at 4 a.m. on the next day, of the 2nd January of 2022. Okay, you can take an action. 1 week you have acted, it becomes your habit. After 1 week, it will be the part of your character. Yes. And again, after 1 week, what you will see? You will see a lot of changes in your body, in your accent, in your ideology, in your speaking style, in your learning style. Why? Because of as and when you will wake up early in the morning, it means to say you are giving the time to yourself only. Nobody is there who can disturb you at that moment. If you wake up at 7 a.m., then every family member is saying, okay, please do this, do this, do this. But at 4 a.m., nobody is there to disturb you. Just you are close to the nature, learn from the nature, and enjoy your life as per your schedule, as per your choice. Therefore, every time we must focus on our target. What is your objective? What you are willing to achieve? If you are thinking about the foundational wall, you are not thinking about the top of the building. See the top first. Mean to say you should remain your dreams high. Wings of the Fire, a particular book is there by our respected President APJ Abdul Kalam. But he said that, yes, I can do everything if I have the time. Who will provide the time? Time is with you. Everyone has 24 hours. But so many people, they can give maximum in 4 hours also. But those persons who are very much famous personalities or the celebrities of the world are in the habit to wake up at 2 a.m. Not only 4 a.m., only just 2 a.m. Mean to say they are taking the sleep of only and only for 4 hours, not more than that. Because of they are willing to learn every time. That's why we must dream in that sense. Now, being a teacher, being a student, we must have a particular perception. Focus there. We must meditate, small sleep, less eating, and give maximum sacrifice. These are 5 pillars of the student life, scholar life. We must follow these principles and we can get success in our life. Next one is watch your speech. What you are speaking. Sometimes we are not thinking, but we speak. And it will create a problem with us, with the others, with our family members. Just only one word. If I'm saying a student, please leave it this class. What's that? It is the anxious attitude of a teacher. It means to say the teacher is not respecting the students. I will not allow the students to enter the class after beginning of the class. What is that? It is wrong attitude of a teacher. Yes, if a student will enter the class after 10 minutes, okay, he or she will learn next 50 minutes. It was the loss of the student of 10 minutes only. If you will not allow to him or her to join the class, it means to say you are destroying his or her 50 minutes more. What is that? Watch your speech. The words you speak can make, yes, make or break your relations, profession, and even your future also. Because of the words are very much important. Just think, again think, and rethink, then speak. Control you on your words. Do not let your words control you. Yes. Sometimes we listen that, okay, you are giving the words to me to chew. No, don't chew the words of the others. Just convey your words after thinking. because of sometimes what we feel. Everyone is not blind, but sometimes we act as blind. All the students are in the class, and I am asking a question to Sanjana or Sanju.
Yes, sir.
Have you joined this class? What is that? This is my blindness. I know she's here, but I am asking, is she here? It is that. Therefore, every time we must be aware about the situation and control the words. Not the words will control you. Next, get your body language right. In case of the body language, if your left leg is upon the right leg, it means to say you have the negative attitude. You are not willing to listen. It means to say you are forced to listen. No. As in when your right leg is on the left leg, it means to say you have the positive attitude. In which situation you are sitting, you can visualize yourself now also. That's why every time so many things are to be conveyed by the observation, by the facial expression, by the body language. Gestural communication is there. It must be checked because of by checking yourself out and learning gestures, postures, and facial expression, you can score well on your body language. Sometimes we are not able to learn without such kind of the ethics about your body language. We must learn these things. And if the language or the body language is right, then you can groom yourself more and more. Because of, if you will see, yes, there are so many criticism. People will see, watch. But sometimes what we feel, what kind of the attitude we have to see in that sense. If a person is advocate, the eyes of the advocate will work on that aspect. If I am a judge, that eyes of the judge will create. If a teacher, I will observe all these things from the eyes of the teacher. Therefore, I have to accept all criticism and then think, then speak. And then I have to control my body language. Now, skill set, yes, it is being discussed every time in your all lectures. Yes, we must improve our skills. That may be speaking skills, learning skills, oratory skills, stage handling skills. I must request you all, you must create your abilities also. For example, one of the question from Sanjana again.
Okay, sir.
Do you know preparation of the tea?
Yes, sir.
Of course, yes. It is skill or the ability?
I think ability
No.
that I have. Okay, skill.
Yeah, it is skill. Because of skill is being learned. Ability mean to say these are the education qualification, these are your abilities.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have done that. Skill is that what you have learned. You are able to prepare a tea every time. But as in when our mother told us, okay, do this mixture, boil it, prepare it. It becomes our skill. You are able to run a computer every time you are able, no problem. Because of there is no any discrepancy in our body. By the grace of the God, we have all hands, foots, simple, no problem. And we are not differently challenged. Therefore, I can be able to manage, arrange my system, my computer. But as and when the learning is to be given to me, then I can say, okay, I have to improve my skills. Therefore, in order to stay in the rat race, one needs to constantly improve one's skills. Why you are different? If I just convey without ego, in this university, the class is being held by Dr. Surendra Singh Kundu. Why? They are 157 teachers. They can handle this class. Why Dr. Kundu was identified? It means to say, I have improved my skills every time so that I can convey maximum to my students. What is new? How you will do? That's why I request you, all my scholars, you have to improve your skills every time. Because of, this fellow, I will take only and only 10 minutes more also. Just enjoy the class. You have listened this or watched about this Charlie Chaplin. Who is he? Anybody can tell. From the foreign scholars, anyone. He was the person, he has succeeded huge life of the people who were afraid to lead the life after the Second World War. He became the comedian so that he can create happiness on the faces of those people who are in the under stress after the tragedy of the Second World War, but who are not known about the personality. They just treat him or her as comedian. No, that was the person who has played a significant role to lead the life. Nowadays, you can see in the year of the 2021, there is a ballet dance group of the age of more than 60 years people. They just play the dance on the open theaters so that the people came out the stress of the COVID-19. Such kind of the personalities are required. Why he became? Why he came forward? Because he has improved his skills every time. How to make the facial reaction and action, and I have to speak, in which way I have to speak, in which way I have to tell, in which way I have to walk and talk with the people, with the society. Therefore, I request you all, you must improve your skills every time. Next one is, it is very much important. Sometimes there is a huge things which will prevail in our mind due to the ego or the esteem. And you understood yourself, okay, these are those things which are not necessary to retain in your mind, in your brain. Just I convey, a person who is disturbing you from a long era, just call him. Okay, gentlemen, I am sorry, and you are also sorry. I forgive you. Just go. It meant to say the space, the memory of your brain, which you have retained, you have stored for a long time, it has been decluttered by you. That's why it will happen. This is when your personal goals and vision comes in handy. When you will focus on your goals, you will ignore all those things. My dear students, you will see every time you have observed at the time of the examination, you just spent 1 hour before the start of examination and you read 9 to 10 pages within 1 hour. Why? However, you will take 1 day or 2 days to read these 9 to 10 pages because of the focus or the vision is there. That's why you are concentrating on here. concentrate on your focus, on your goal, on your objective, on your vision, then automatically everything be decluttered by you. Therefore, you have to clean your mind, your brain, all those things which are not necessary to retain with you. Just turn the pages which are spare from your brain and clean it and learn it with a jaws and horse. Must be happy, retain happy, and give happiness to every one citizen of the world, not only the person who are the family members of you. No, I'm conveying for all, but you can start from your own. Second, your family members, then your society, then your neighborhood, then your village, then your town, then your state, then country, then world. But we must start from ourselves first. Next one, age. What is that? The left aspect is there and right aspect. Left aspect may be the past, we just ignore and utilize the right path so that you can enjoy the life in a proper way. Next, the fair effect that you want to become a better person is the positive sign. Just wanting, just desire. If you are willing to become a good person, it is first point, first commandment to build your personality. It means to say that you are in the right track. The ability of a person to evolve and improve or his or herself is sure, short sign of the success. Some such people will surely go places. Yes, they will achieve. Because of, I have said that, what you are thinking, your thought will be your action. If you have start thinking, okay, I have to improve these things, I have to do these things, and I will do, certainly you will do. Thought is important. Otherwise, what will happen? After 2 years, 3 years, you will learn this lecture, you will listen this lecture, this will be available on the YouTube channel, no problem. Everybody can listen, you can share as per your choice. But the point is that after the completion of the PhD thesis, you will remember this day. Okay, that day was, which has improved ourselves a lot. Because of we have learned. I, being a teacher, I have learned so many things from my elders, juniors, seniors, colleagues. Yes, that's why I'm willing to share with you all. And I shared with these things, all these things with you all. That's why we have to be fresh every time. Now, the same question from Sanjana. Sanjana, now who are you? At that moment, you said that I have followed all these principles. Now, who are you?
Sir, after hearing your lecture, now I have become a good person by helping others and treat each other with positive attitude, and I learn more new things with positive attitude.
Okay, all the best and take care. And again, Happy New Year to you all. Now,
Happy
some
New
of
Year
the,
to you also,
okay,
sir.
thank you. Some of the books are there if you are willing to read, which can inculcate the qualities of your appealing personality. These are the books. References are there. Awaken the Giant Within, Tony Robbins. I will share this slide with you all in your Google Classroom also. The Secret, Rhonda Byrne. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy. Talent is Overrated, written by Geoff Colvin. A Long Walk to Freedom, Nelson Mandela. And these are my references because of I have to acknowledge who have referred this material or to whom have given, or should I acknowledge? Yes, sure. Because of these authors, these references has given a lot to me. That's why it is my responsibility to deliver you all and to share with you all with these words. Thanks a lot. And the last line is that we must change our habits. Okay, it is not easy to change, but try. If we will take small steps, then we can jump at the highest target. No problem. With these words, thanks a lot to you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Ji,
much for the precious time you allotted us today.
thank you very much to you all.